Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever sat down to a basket of warm breadsticks and felt like you were already part of the family? Today, Hannah is walking into a real Olive Garden for a cozy dinner. One of America's most beloved Italian-American restaurant chains, famous for its warm breadsticks, its endless salad, and that comforting feeling of when you're here, your family. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah is going to use one gentle little phrase whenever she needs someone to slow down or say something again. You can use this exact phrase at any Olive Garden, or really any restaurant, anywhere in America. So grab a seat at the table and get ready for a cozy Italian dinner. Let's step into Olive Garden. Alright. Hannah has 3 missions tonight. 1. Check in for her reservation, with a busy but kind host 2. Hear about tonight's specials and order dinner, with a chatty, breadstick-loving waiter 3. Ask about menu options and get the check, with a brand new trainee waiter at Olive Garden. Just like at many casual restaurants across the US, things move fast during the dinner rush. But one simple, polite phrase can always slow things down for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to check in for a reservation, order a meal, and politely ask someone to repeat something, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's walk into Olive Garden. Here are today's 5 Olive Garden key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Is it okay if I ask you to repeat that a little more slowly? Is it okay if I ask you to repeat that a little more slowly? This is today's magic phrase. Is it okay if I is a warm way to ask permission before making a small request. It's perfect for those moments when someone is talking fast or using words you don't quite catch. Instead of nodding along and feeling lost, you can simply and politely ask them to slow down. Key phrase 2. Could I get a table for 2, under the name Hannah? Could I get a table for 2, under the name Hannah? A clear, simple way to check in for a reservation at any restaurant host stand. Key phrase 3. Would it be possible to get some extra breadsticks? Would it be possible to get some extra breadsticks? A polite way to make a small extra request without sounding demanding. Key phrase 4. Do you have any gluten-free pasta options? Do you have any gluten-free pasta options? A natural, everyday way to ask about menu options or dietary needs. Key phrase 5. Can we get the check whenever you have a chance? Can we get the check whenever you have a chance? A relaxed, friendly way to ask for the bill without feeling rushed. Great job! Now let's see Hannah use them at Olive Garden. Hannah steps through Olive Garden's front doors, greeted by the warm smell of garlic and fresh bread. The host stand is a flurry of motion. A phone ringing, a stack of buzzers, a line of 2 other parties waiting. Marco. A busy but kind Olive Garden host in his 40s, juggling a seating chart and a phone tucked between his shoulder and ear. Waves her over with a quick, warm gesture.
Be right with you. Sorry, 1SEC. Okay. Welcome to Olive Garden. How many tonight?
Hi. Could I get a table for 2, under the name Hannah? I made a reservation for 7 o'clock.
Hannah, party of 2. Got it. Right here. Right this way. Your table's just opening up now.
Thank you. It smells amazing in here.
Breadsticks, non-stop, all day. Half the staff can't even smell garlic anymore. Here you go. Your server will be right with you.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Marco.
Enjoy your dinner. I'll go check on that other party now, Friday nights. Am I right?
Wonderful, Hannah. Notice the phrase "Could I get a table for 2, under the name Hannah?" A clear, simple way to check in for any reservation, even when the host stand is busy. Also notice how Marco stayed warm and welcoming even while juggling the phone and a full waiting line. Being busy doesn't mean being unfriendly, and a little patience goes a long way on a busy Friday night. A clear request plus a little patience equals a smooth start to a cozy dinner. Hannah settles into the booth, studying the menu. Sal, a chatty, breadstick-loving Olive Garden waiter in his 30s, already mid-sentence before he even reaches the table, arrives with a fresh basket of warm breadsticks.
Hi there, welcome, welcome. So tonight we've got the tour of Italy, that's chicken parm, lasagna, and fettuccine alfredo all on one plate, plus we're running a special on the never-ending pasta bowl where you pick your pasta, your sauce, and it just keeps coming. And don't even get me started on the new stuffed ravioli because honestly it's basically my favorite thing on the whole menu right now.
Wow, okay. Is it okay if I ask you to repeat that, a little more slowly? There was a lot there.
Ha, fair, I get excited. Okay, slow version. Tour of Italy, 3 dishes, 1 plate. Never-ending pasta bowl, pick your pasta and sauce, refills included. And the stuffed ravioli is new this month.
That's much easier to follow, thank you. And would it be possible to get some extra breadsticks? These are already almost gone.
Are you kidding? That's basically a compliment. Endless breadsticks, endless salad, it's the Olive Garden way. When you're here, you're family. I'll be right back with a fresh batch.
Thank you, Sal.
You got it, give that menu one more look, I'll be back before you know it.
Look at what just happened at the table. Sal was talking fast, and Hannah handled it perfectly. Notice how Hannah used today's magic phrase, "Is it okay if I ask you to repeat that, a little more slowly?" Warm, polite, and easy for anyone to say yes to. Instead of nodding along and feeling lost, she simply and kindly asked for a slower version, and Sal was happy to help. A gentle request for permission plus a friendly server equals confusion turned into confidence, in just a few seconds. A little later, Hannah has finished her tour of Italy, and a different server approaches the table. Jake, a brand new Olive Garden trainee in his early 20s, order pad gripped tightly, eyes flicking to a small folded cheat sheet in his apron pocket.
Hi. I'm covering this section for a minute, can I get you anything else, maybe dessert?
Actually, do you have any gluten-free pasta options? My friend is joining me next time and she can't eat regular pasta.
I think so? Let me just double check, 1 second. Yes. Sorry, yes, we have a gluten-free pasta option, and it can go with almost any sauce on the menu.
That's great, thank you for checking.
No problem, happy to look it up. Anything else I can grab you?
Just the check, please. Can we get the check whenever you have a chance? No rush at all.
Of course. I'll bring that right out. And, thank you for being patient with me. This is only my 2nd week.
You're doing great, Jake. Nobody could tell.
That means a lot. Be right back with your check.
Wonderful. Tonight Hannah enjoyed a real Italian dinner at Olive Garden. Meeting busy but kind Marco, chatty Sal, and brand new Jake along the way. Notice. The biggest phrase of the night was, "Is it okay if I ask you to repeat that, a little more slowly?" That warm, polite phrasing turned a rushed, confusing moment into a calm, easy conversation, without any embarrassment at all. A gentle request for permission plus a friendly smile equals a relaxed dinner, at any restaurant, anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah wants to politely ask her server to say something again, a little more slowly. Fill in the blank to complete her magic phrase. You say that again, a little more slowly? A. Is it okay if I ask B? Would you mind if I asked C? Could you please try writing your answer? A, B, or C, or the whole phrase? In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 powerful phrases that will turn any dinner out, anywhere in America, into a relaxed, confident meal. Is it okay if I ask you to repeat that a little more slowly? Could I get a table for 2, under the name Hannah? Would it be possible to get some extra breadsticks? Do you have any gluten-free pasta options? Can we get the check whenever you have a chance? With these 5 phrases, dinner at Olive Garden or any restaurant feels less like a test and more like sitting down with family. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, Hannah is heading to the Greyhound bus station for her very first long-distance bus ride, learning how to check her ticket and ask for help finding the right gate. See you next time. Bye-bye.